Everybody, welcome back to Playing Today. Today I am, oh my gosh, I'm so squished. I am trying to get in my closet because that's where my fidget bin is. Yeah. But I am showing you all of my animal fidgets, and I want to see. So, comment down your little own zoo in the comments, and you can do that. And also comment how many animal fidgets you think I'm gonna have. So let's get started. So I always want to look at myself, but no, look at the camera. Let's start looking. So digging. This little keyboard puppet I got for my birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna be digging in there to find fidgets. So that are animals. Okay, so these aren't actually my fidget bin, but they're these wind up ones, and they hop. So do you count these as fidgets? I'm not going to, but if you do, comment down below and tell me. Oh, also comment down below how many, I think I already said this, but how many of these do you think I'm gonna find? So let's just dig. Okay, there's this like cute little Pegasus, and it's a. So I'm gonna count this as one. I'm not gonna keep count. I'm just gonna or keep track, but I'm just gonna count on the very end. So next, I think this is a butterfly. My grandma actually thought it was a snail, but there's this dimple. I'm gonna say it's a butterfly, a half of a butterfly, and I'm gonna count it. Because that makes me think it's a half of a butterfly, so I'm counting. Oh, I already see this duck puppet, which the bubbles on this thing is so tiny. Like, they are absolutely tiny. But that means they give me lives, so I can pop lives. I'm very cold. Well, never mind. I was going to say something, but I changed my mind. And, but I wish they got like the whole beak. See, they didn't get it all. But now for the good side. Ready? It's going to be loud. I'm not sure if it's really loud. I'm not sure if the camera can hear it. 3. Let's see. What is this yellow one? Oh, no. This is a circle puppet. Oh! A jumbo unicorn puppet. That can count. Let's dig. What is this? No, this isn't an animal. So sad. What about this? Nope, this is a lollipop, not an animal. Back. There you go. This is a food. This is a DIY puppet my friend made for me. Okay. A butterfly! And look, it's actually textured. As you can see, but there's butterflies on the bubbles. This was like one of my original puppets. I actually kind of forgot about this. Actually. Because, I got this. There we go. Now time to pop the good side. I got this in a featuring mystery pack. I actually filmed unboxing it. So, I remember this girl. Okay. Let's just see. Oh, that's food. Why do I have so many food? Is it? Well, I guess it's an animal. I don't think so. I'm definitely not going to count it. Puppet notebook. And I need to find some animals. Imagine if that's all the animals I have. I know I have more. Because I know what I'm missing. Ooh! In this bag of wacky track. Monkey noodles. Squishy. This monkey noodle. She's textured monkey noodle, but look. It's supposed to be a centipede, caterpillar, something. And it's an animal. So, my textured monkey noodle counts. Yay, found something. Keep going. Animal. Oh, see an animal. A kawaii kitty. Neato. I like going like this with it. No, its face is rubbing off. It makes me really sad, so I don't want to squish it, but it's so satisfying to squish. Let's keep looking. I'm going to start taking stuff out because my bin is really full so that I can get a better look. I just don't want to put all my stuff away. But I'm going to, because I'm going to keep it clean. So my room isn't clean, but I want it. Well, actually, it is pretty. It's not clean, but it's cleaner than it was before because it got cleaned not long ago. Well, not all the way cleaned, but oh, a unicorn squishy. Perfection. Let's just keep on looking. The exact same because I had one, and then my friend gave me one of them. So cute. Oh, wow. My favorite one, the bright pink one. The bright. My God, it's here. I might have to put this video into 2 parts. But I love water space. But my favorite one. It's sad. My grandma's here, so I might need to put this video into 2 parts. But oh, I found one. This is a octopus and it's textured. Well, let's keep going. Found another one. I think put that one back. This little. I'm up here! It's a little hedgehog. I should put to my grandpa. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, and here's one. A shark poppet. Here's a hippo poppet, and it's glittery. Let's just keep looking. Nope, this is not another one. Okay, I'm going to do a part 2.